Hi, I'm Matt Carr, Field Service Manager here at Torn Drive International. These are the tools you're going to need to change the bearings in the TPM1 machine. A 15-ton hydraulic jack, 4 pieces of M10 all thread, cut about 20 inches long, a rubber mallet, a shop hammer, a brass punch, flathead screwdriver, 4mm Allen wrench, 6mm Allen wrench, 6mm Allen socket, an extension, a ratchet, a 24mm socket, pull handle, file, 18mm wrench, 36mm wrench, snap ring pliers, M10 bolt, about 4 inches long, 3 pieces of M12 all thread, and the special tools you can get from us here at Torn Drive International. 1 piece of M20 all thread with 2 M20 nuts and EP2 grease. Using a hammer, tap the new bearing back into position. Using the 6mm Allen socket and a ratchet, reinstall the bearing retaining ring. Install the special tools back in so that you can pull the rotor back into the machine. Line up the rotor and slide it back into position. Slide the center pin through the special tools mounted in the machine. Install the sleeve and then the nut on the special tools. Use the wrench to start the rotor back into position at this time. Remove the nut from the special tools and remove the center pin from the special tools. Install the piece of 20mm all thread, 1 nut on the end where the special tools are. On the other end, attach the jack and a stop plate, and then the other nut. Use the jack to reinstall the rotor. Remove all of the special tools and the jack from the machine. Replace the bearing that was on the shaft and then reinstall the shaft into the machine. Using a soft face hammer or rubber mallet, tap the shaft back into position. Install 1 piece of 12mm all thread into the shaft on the sheave side. You can use this to center the shaft. Install 2 pieces of 12mm all thread on the back side of the machine, as shown. Install the jack and back plate on these 2 pieces of all thread. Use the jack to push the shaft back into position. Install the center cover on the sheave side of the machine. Remove the hanger for the rotor. Install the rear bearing housing using the Allen socket, the extension, and the ratchet. Using the 4mm Allen wrench, install the encoder housing.